today we're talking about my kit. Now I've done several kit videos showing my full kit, but I'm in Grenada right now. I'm on location, and I want to show you what's in my set bag. Now I have like a small little carry-on. Now I didn't carry my big burden because for some reason the straps on it when you're traveling, it's always a problem for some airlines. I know Virgin it's okay, but I started to just not carry it. So I carry a smaller carry-on, and then I have my set bag. But I want to show you what's in my set bag, what's really essential when you're on a location shoot. I'm literally down by a river. We are like all in like, it feels like we're almost in the rainforest. So I want to show you what's in there and what is essential. And if you ever in a situation where you are on location and you need to carry just the bare minimum, really just the essentials, stay tuned. So this is what my set bag looks like. It's a big bag that I got from Japonesque years and years ago, but I'm just gonna go through it. I'll come down here so you can kind of see it a little bit more, but we're gonna just go through each pocket so you can like kind of see what I would take. And also note that I am on a shoot that the makeup supposed to be very natural, very simple, so I don't have like a ton of colors and like too much happening in the set bag, but I do have the essentials, and maybe I have some things that you may not have would have thought about, but you know, let's get started. So in this first pocket I have a bunch of lip palettes, and most of them are like lip palettes that I have made. Well, two of them are lip palettes that I made. One is Mented, one is Color Essentials, just so like if I need a nude, if I need color, I have it. And then the other is my MAC Nude Lipstick. This one is the 5 Modern Browns along with this Jaleesa lip colors, and I like this because it has like a ton of bright colors in there and all of them fit. I don't know where that sponge came from, but we can take that out of there. And this kind of like fits right there. Next I have hand sanitizer, Dove deodorant because it's super hot, extra makeup remover, brush cleaner, New Skin. This is like a liquid bandage in case like somebody has a cut and you know they're doing video, so if we need to cover it, like you know there's no post, fix it in post, it's like fix it right now. And then otherwise I have some Panadols, some gum, Dramamine, band-aids, things like that. And then next I have more hand sanitizer, and then I have Q-tips. I won't even bother to take this out. So I have Q-tips in here, big Q-tips, small Q-tips. Let's go to this side. So on this side I have my tissues, and I like these ones because you can pretty much just clip it on, and these are like, you just open them and they're pretty convenient. On this side I have some like shop towels, and shop towels are like, I read it in a group where you know people use it on movie sets, makeup artists and stuff. They're like paper towels, but they're a bit like thicker, so I kind of cut them out. So they're regular paper towel size, but I kind of cut them out, so Lord have mercy. Let's take this out. I cut them out in case I need to blot or give somebody like tissue to, like, you know, this kind of lasts longer than a regular paper towel. And then here I just have my cotton. Do I have anything else in here? And I also have some blotting sheets in there as well. So I put that in there. So inside, inside is a bit, I have a bunch of different things. So I have this case inside, and I got this from Muji, and I just popped that in there. And inside the case, I have like some extra lip color, like some bright lips that I know that I really like, that I might need. I have Lysol, just because you always need Lysol, along with some alcohol. I always take alcohol with me just to make sure that my tools are really clean. Some eye drops just in case. Also I have brow gel, so essentials, so brow gel, brow pencils. I have in one of the tubs all the used brushes I use. I have them separated because I worked on 2 models. And then also I have like bug spray stuff, Savlon, a bunch of like concealers. No, I don't have it. I took the picture of my phone. Then I also have some loose highlighter, and that one is from Danessa Myricks. And then in terms of like skin stuff, I don't have a ton, but I do have like my black opal palette, just so like it looks pretty natural. If you buff it out especially, it looks like skin. So I have my black opal palette that I made. I also have my That Glow Though palette that has all my highlights. I also have some concealer. I have 2 powders from Danessa Myricks, which I actually didn't use, but I have it in here just in case. Danessa Myricks number 4 and number 3. And then I also have some Sasha Cosmetics blush, because this blush is live. So I kind of just keep these things because it's like this. I just kind of line them up and just put them in here. And then also I have one of my favorite palettes right now. This is my Nars Orgasm palette from, what do you call this collection? Orgasm. But it was something else too. Endless Orgasm, yes. I also have a mascara, and I also have wands, because we're not putting the same mascara on everybody, so that's not happening. I also have some wipes, some Huggies. This is more so for like wiping things down, cleaning your hands, whatever. Have my favorite lotion. This lotion is always to make everybody look nice and wet and dewy and glowy, so I have that. And then I also have this little container. I put some gloss in there and I just cover it back, so if I need some, I don't need to take everything with me. And then another thing I have is my external for my phone, because my phone actually is about to die, so I have that. And let's turn it around. So in the back I have some emergency things like a granola bar if I get hungry, a mirror. This is like no makeup or anything, just a regular mirror, some straws, and hi, how are you going? And then some no, we're not camping, we're just taking some pictures and things. Yeah. Huh? Uh-huh. Oh, but you're not it's not supposed to be open. Oh yeah, no. Uh-huh. Alright. Yeah, we fine, man, but just take care, because they're taking some pictures over there. Okay. Yeah. Alright, take care. Sorry about that. They were talking to the locals. So what I was saying, we have some gum, because you don't want to have that breath in anybody's face. And then actually here I have some extra brushes. All of these are clean. I had popped these in here yesterday, and actually have another powder. This is NW58, but I didn't use that, so I just popped some brushes in here, some clean brushes, because on set yesterday I have all my canisters, my brush canisters with me, and I'm not gonna pop my whole brush canister in there, so I just popped a few clean ones in there if I needed to, just extra brushes. I have some in there as well. And then in my case, I have my my lip balm. Something like, you always want your lip balm at hand. I also have my Bioderma. I have a few clean brushes and then a few used ones. So I have some in the front, some in the back. And then I always have like little Sharpies in my set bag. And then I usually have clips on top here too, but I washed this bag out this morning, so I need to put my clips back. But yeah, that is about it. That is about everything that I have in my set bag right now. As I mentioned earlier in the video, this is not all that I took with me to the trip. I have, I have a bunch of other stuff. I have my jumbo lip pencils, I have my Glossier in here, but essentially I'm doing a campaign shoot that is not coming out till the end of the year, and essentially, it's natural, it's dewy, Caribbean vibes, wet skin, looking like pretty natural and normal. So I just have a little bit of powder, a little bit of lip, a little bit of glow, just where I need it. And then my sanitary things, make sure your hands are clean, make sure you have alcohol, make sure you have tissues, baby wipes, things like that. So yeah, if you guys have any questions at all, if you think there's anything else that you might want to know, just let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you guys and I will see you guys in the next video. So today's I don't know when I'm uploading this, to be honest, but Today is Wednesday. I leave Grenada on Friday. And we're still shooting for the rest of the day. Actually went to Trinidad on Monday for like a few hours, and I bought one of my favorite blushes, but I don't think I put it in here. It's called cocoa coffee bean. So we'll talk about that as well in another video. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later. And one more thing I forgot to mention, I popped this out in my bag. I also have like regular wipes as well that I stick next to the baby wipes. So that's that on that. Oh my gosh. And I also have bug spray. So there's a few things that I took out, but I think that's about it. I'll pop that in there too.